Do you think Forex trading is a better side income nowadays in this generation for the students?
Yeah, see, when it comes to college students, the first thing I would tell them is to
People say government is against Forex trading. What are your views on that?
you blindly go trust somebody, or you see somebody on YouTube or Google or somewhere. They tell you, you give us the capital, we will trade for you, we will give you certain percentage out of it. It's like you're sick, but somebody else takes the medicine out of it. Now, all this arises when you put your own money, The way I teach is don't put your money. You learn the skills, people will give you money. That's the best way.
If Forex trading becomes legal in India tomorrow, how would that become future for the students?
You tell me one college or you tell me one school in the whole of India which teaches you money management.
Not at all.
Nobody. Strategy is only 10% of what your entire trading is. 90% is your money management skills. If you cannot manage money, you cannot become a trader.
Is Forex trading a survival skill?
Survival skill is a very underrated word for Forex. Forex is a life-changing game.
Hello and welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching. I'm Tahir, your host. Today beside me we have a very special guest sitting beside me. I would like to introduce him. He needs no introduction. Well, first of all, I would like to welcome him heartily in this podcast. Welcome, sir.
Namaste Tahir ji, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you, sir?
I'm good too, thank you.
So, let me give an introduction on this. Jawaad Sir is the founder of Jawaad Trading Academy, a platform focused on teaching Forex trading with clarity and responsibility. What sets Jawaad Sir apart is not noise or promises, but the way he approaches trading as a skill rooted in the market structure, risk management, and trader psychology rather than shortcuts. Over the years, Jawaad Sir has mentored thousands of learners, many of whom come with confusion, unrealistic expectations of fear, and leave with a clearer framework and a more mature understanding of the markets. His teaching philosophy is simple but demanding. Beyond charts and strategies, Jawaad Sir spends a lot of time speaking about mindset, how traders think under pressure, how they handle losses, why most of people fail not because of the market, but because of their own decisions. Today, we are not here to talk about shortcut or overnight success. We are here to talk about how trading really works. Sir, first of all, my first question of this podcast would be, how would you define Forex trading in your simple words?
See, Forex trading is nothing but you're trading with the currency of the country. Now, let's say, what is the currency of India? INR. What is the currency of America? US dollar. Like how every country has their own currency, we will be trading on the currency of the country. So that is what Forex trading is all about.
Do you think Forex trading is a better side income nowadays in this generation for the students, especially for the college students? Well,
Yeah, see, when it comes to college students, the first thing I would tell them is to study. Okay. Yes, once they are done with their studies, they definitely have to get employed and they have to start working for someone. Forex can be a good way for passive income for them, where in Forex there are like so many opportunities where you trade for an investor's capital, you don't have to put your own money. So when it comes to young people who are just graduating out from college, they won't have money, right? There's something called as KDM, key decision maker. For a student, the KDM is the father, okay, right? Without the father's permission, they cannot do anything. Exactly. But when it comes to trading, there is an opportunity where they can show their skills. If they like it, the investor is going to hire them and they can trade for an investor.
and well, many people face losses in this. And why do you think these losses happen?
See, I'll tell you what. First of all, we have to understand the market is very uncertain, right? If someone who cannot take losses, I don't think they should come into trading itself, because losses are a part of the journey. See, let's say you take an athlete. Let's say you take, for example, Virat Kohli, right? You cannot expect Virat Kohli to hit centuries all the time. You cannot expect him to score boundaries all the time. He goes for duckouts sometimes, right? Why? That is a loss for him, right? Anything in this world, what goes up has to come down. What is down has to go up.
I have a mindset to enter this Forex trading. What are the habits should I adapt? What are the things should I do? And what are the such things I keep on doing this, from your advice?
Good question. I would say first you need to figure out what is your income.
Okay.
You need to figure out what is your income stream and are you sustainable in this industry? Can you sustain in this industry? Because this industry demands a lot of capital. Let's say if you're someone who is starting off with $100 or $10,000, it is very obvious you're going to lose money. The broker knows it already, that you are going to start with $100. He knows that you're going to lose it, right? But you as a beginner, if you're trying to look out for opportunities, I would suggest the best way is to learn the skill, adapt some knowledge, then some skill, experience, and then approach a prop firm. That would be the right option, is what I feel.
Okay, so first, how much of money you suggest people to invest on Forex trading?
Zero.
Zero? On what basis?
You have to understand something. Trading is big.
Okay.
Let's say you want to get into trading. I'm telling you to bring 1 crore. Will you be able to bring it?
Not at all.
Why? Because nobody has it. Be it me or be it anybody else, right? When they start trading, nobody starts off with 1 crore or 1 lakh. But what happens here is, if you're starting with $100, let's say you're starting with $100, and let's say you have a strategy that is giving you a 10% return per month. For $100 and for a 10% return per month, you will be making only $10. For $10, you can't buy even peanuts these days. So what you're going to do is, you're going to increase the leverage, you're going to get into losses, you will have bad psychology, you will have very bad risk management. So to avoid all that, you need to have substantial capital. If you have substantial capital, then you can enter into this.
Got it, sir. So since the topic we are speaking is Forex trading, recently I came across an Instagram post yesterday that $1 is now 90 rupees. And why do you think this Indian currency is falling so bad and so down?
Yeah, see, first of all, I would tell you, welcome to India.
Okay.
Reason why dollar is falling, dollar is rising and INR is falling. Now let me be very clear. INR is there wherever it is. It is the dollar rising. INR is there. It's not falling actually. INR is there wherever it is. Dollar is raising. Because I'll tell you what, the reason why dollar is raising, the work of America is to induce fights in between you and me. Their job is to induce fights in between you and me, between two countries. Their job is to sell weapons for you and me.
Okay.
So what they do is, wherever you see all this war happening, who supplies most of the weapons? It's America.
Exactly.
Right? So they benefit from that. So their benefit is non-stop. In the world, war keeps happening all the time. So wherever you see war happening, dollar keeps increasing because the sale of weapon keeps increasing. That kind of a business, by God's grace, India doesn't do. India doesn't sell weapons to others of mass destruction to go kill somebody. But America has a different mindset. That's the reason dollar keeps rising.
Got it, sir. Good explanation. And my next question would be, do you really think digital currency is better than physical currency?
Definitely. I would say digital currency is way better than your physical currency. Let's say this paper, whatever you're holding, right?
Yeah.
Let's assume this is your money.
Okay.
I burn it.
Okay.
What is the value for this? It's zero. Digital currency, what happens is, you store it in a wallet. What happens is, there are two types of wallets, hardware and software wallet. If you store it in a hardware wallet, which is a physical wallet basically, all your digital assets are inside that. So what happens is, if you have the wallet, the money is with you. So there is no possibility of you losing it, and if you lose it also, there are ways to recover it. If you have the seed phrase, seed phrase is nothing but like a password. Yeah, so once you put the password and once you put the seed phrase, you're going to extract all the money what you have lost. So let me just give it to you like this. Let's say you have two wallets,
Okay.
normal physical wallets, right?
Okay.
In one wallet you put your money, right? And that wallet is burnt. You have lost that wallet. Can you bring back the money in the new wallet?
No.
That is possible in digital currency.
Okay.
You understand? Your money will never be lost if you play it properly and if you play it safely.
So, do you think really everyone should learn Forex trading? And why? If your answer is yes.
Let me put this on to you. If you have to learn a skill to earn money, won't you learn?
Definitely.
And I'm asking you to learn a skill where the sky is not the limit. You don't have limits for making money in this industry, but if you play it right.
Let's say if someone is starting a Forex trading company or an academy like you, what are the risks they should plan and what are the risks they should be ready to face?
They should be talking to my legal team first because they know it better than me. Right. So when it comes to the legality, I think my legal team is doing a good job. They're handling it properly. And being it, when somebody wants to start a Forex Trading Academy, I would suggest them, yeah, if they want, they can start. But give students proper education, that is very, very important. Don't scam them. Don't give them affiliate links of other prop firms and other brokers and make money from the losses. Because let me tell you, I see a lot of people these days, a lot of teachers, a lot of mentors, they give affiliate link for other brokers for them to join. So what happens, all the students, they click that link, they go join to that. They make a commission out of it and they also make a commission of their losses. So if anybody is making money of someone else's losses, I don't think that's going to be a sustainable income for them.
Since you asked me, everyone should learn a skill. I would like to ask a question on that. How many strategies does a person should learn while is going to acquire a skill?
Strategy is like a wife. How many wives do you need to have? Handling one wife is itself difficult. So every strategy is like a wife and every pair you trade is like your children.
Okay.
Let's say you have one strategy, 2 pairs. Okay. It's more than enough. That's how.
And people say government is against Forex trading. What are your views on that?
See, I will not tell government is against. I will tell anybody in this world is against you making money. Nobody wants to see you successful. Right? Anybody who wants to see you successful is only your parents, your first family, or your well-wishers. There is nobody who wants to see you successful, right? So here, when it comes to the government is restricting because you can make money with Forex. If you make money with Forex, with money comes power, right?
Exactly.
If you get the power and if you have money, you start to ask questions. If you ask questions, they can't answer. That's the reason they keep Forex in a very gray area where people get the knowledge but don't get the knowledge. It's like giving but not giving.
And I have came across so many people, they have so many confusion on Forex trading. What would you like to say on that?
Yeah, see, confusion is basically lack of knowledge.
Okay.
I would say the reason why confusion arises to someone is because of lack of knowledge. In India, Forex is always kept at a gray area where nobody is well educated about Forex and they basically don't want you to earn. So that's the reason behind it. And I would say if everybody in Forex is making money, then there will not be any poverty in India. Yeah, because, Forex is huge and the market trades at $7 trillion per day. Show me one asset class in the world which does that. Show me one asset class. No one. It's only Forex.
And why are so many scams happening in this Forex trading?
See, scam is not only in Forex, scam is happening in every industry.
Okay. And what are the scams do you see currently in this Forex trading?
Yeah, currently what I see the scam running in Forex industry is called copy trading.
Copy trading.
Yeah, copy trading is, let's say if you're a trader and if I have an account on certain broker and you are a trader for that broker, I can copy your trades. All what you do is you trade, but the same entry gets punched in my account as well. So what is happening here is like I am sick, but you take the medicine. Right? I am hungry, but you eat for me. It doesn't work. The system doesn't work. The universe doesn't respect such things, right? That is where the scams usually happens. First is the copy trading. Second thing is when you give your account to somebody else to trade. Let's say you have a capital. If you're not a trader, you blindly go trust somebody or you see somebody on YouTube or Google or somewhere. They tell you, you give us the capital, we will trade for you, we will give you certain percentage out of it. Now, let me be very honest, it is the same. It is nothing but, you are hungry, but you're asking somebody else to eat your food. It's like you're sick, but somebody else takes the medicine out of it. So that is where the scam usually happens. And Forex is filled with scammers. People need to be very, very cautious. I would say for everyone who's starting into Forex industry to do proper R&D, do your research and development on your mentor, on the broker or anybody. Now all this arises when you put your own money, The way I teach is don't put your money. That's the best way. You learn the skills, people will give you money. That's the best way.
And I have came across a proverb, experience is the best teacher. And does this apply in Forex trading?
100%. 100%. Why do you think the reason I'm sitting here today? The reason I'm sitting here today is because of my 14 years of experience what I have in Forex. I started my career with Forex only. I am still with Forex only. I haven't deviated with any other asset class. Crypto, I do a little bit of investments, but when it comes to trading, the best asset class in the whole world, which was designed for trading, is Forex. You have, let's say you have notes, paper notes. You go to a shop, you give paper notes to buy something, right? Why? Because that is currency. Currency was basically introduced in the world for trading. It was gold before. People used to trade gold coins. Then it became silver coins. Then it became metal coins. Then it became notes, paper notes. That is where Forex comes in.
So my question is to you now is, in these 14 years of experience, what are the two most ups of your life and two most downs of your life?
Two most ups of.
Ups, yeah.
Yeah, the first up, what I would say, is where I personally cleared a prop firm, where I became a prop firm trader. That was the first up. The second up for me is when I got a call from a HNI. HNI is nothing but a high net worth individual. You know, there are so many investors from Dubai, from Russia, Germany. There are people who have a lot of money. So I got a call from one of their team members, and initially I thought it was a prank call.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, like when you get into this industry, you have your friends who do prank calling. Exactly. So I thought it was a prank call. I got a call, and then I realized it was real. Okay. So that was two ups, like you said.
Okay.
Two downs for me is like the first down is, I would say, when my mother fell sick. So last year she had a heart attack, December 9th. So that she's good by God's grace now. So that was one down, one major hit for me. But Alhamdulillah, by God's grace, I recovered back by everybody's.
How your mother has been support system for you?
She is like everything. You cannot compare a mother with anyone. Okay. You cannot do that. Your wife will leave you and go. Your mother will never leave you and go. Your parents will never leave you and go. I told you, right? The only person who wants to see you successful is your mother and your father. Right? The other person is your wife. And wife's love is conditional. There are two types of love in this world. One is conditional, one is unconditional love. What is conditional love? Conditional love is, if you have money, she will stay with you. You don't have money, she will not stay with you. But parents' love is unconditional. You have money, you don't have money, you do anything, parents will always be there with you.
Truly agree, sir.
Yes.
Truly agree.
Yes.
And so my next question is, if Forex trading becomes legal in India tomorrow, how would that become future for the students?
Most of the colleges will get shut, and I would suggest most of the colleges should start teaching Forex trading in their academics.
Okay.
Because Forex trading is nothing but, it is managing money. Yes, Forex itself, it is nothing but money. And you're trading money, right? So what happens is, when you're so focused into money management, right, your skills improve a lot. You tell me one college, or you tell me one school in the whole of India which teaches you money management.
Not at all.
Nobody.
We have been taught Alfred Marshall, economics, Adam Smith. We have just learned to the theories and stuff, but not at all.
And what these people are learning these days is A plus B, the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, whatever it is. You get that extra 2AB, no?
Yeah. Got it. 2AB.
Yes.
And why do traders face huge losses even they have good strategies?
Strategy is nothing. First, people need to understand, strategy is only 10% of what your entire trading is. 90% is your money management skills. If you cannot manage money, you cannot become a trader. People just do the opposite. What they do is 90% focus they give for strategy, 10% money management or risk management they do. But the actual truth is 90% it is risk management and money management psychology involved. 10% is the strategy. So people should focus more on risk and psychology so that their losses can be reduced.
And what is the most painful mistake have you seen other traders do and other students do?
Wow, that's a brilliant question. The biggest pain that I have seen my own students facing is they clear phase 1 challenge in prop firm, they clear phase 2 challenge in prop firm, they get the live account, okay, which means they get an investment of 12 to 13 lakhs initially.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's nothing.
It's nothing.
It's nothing. We go up to $3 lakh,
Okay.
2.4 crore. That's the max you can get into this. So the most painful mistake what I see my students making is once they clear phase 1, phase 2, they get the live account, people cannot handle big money. Once it comes to lakhs, they want to buy a Lamborghini tomorrow.
And why do you think that they have that mindset?
Money. Everything is money. When you get 12, 13 lakhs initially, as a beginner in Forex trading, your hands start to itch. Once your hand starts itching, you get into the markets. And market knows this. Market knows your hands are itching. It will give you a setup, it will call you, it will pull you towards it. So that is when most of the traders lose. The biggest painful thing is once they clear phase 1, clear phase 2, they get a live account, they blow the live account. So what happens is 12, 13 lakhs is just gone. Psh.
So I was actually amazed by the numbers which you have mentioned in to my questions to your previous answers. I'm really eager to know how much does a Forex trader earns in a day?
In a day?
Yeah, in a day.
It depends from zero. First of all,
My question is for one who knows good strategies about Forex trade.
it's not consistent.
Okay.
It's never consistent. So let's say if you're into some business, let's say you're into let's say shoe making business, right? Let's say you have a shoe company. Do you do the same business every month? Every business is up. I mean, every month is up, it's down. It's like a roller coaster ride. Same thing goes to every Forex trader. No Forex trader is profitable every month. First of all, people have to understand that you cannot make every month. You cannot make money all the time. The thing what you need to do is you need to make money, save it so that losses, that money, whatever you have earned, will take care of your losses in the future. So money management is everything in this.
And what does a trader's life looks behind the scenes when no one is watching?
If you ask me, trader's life behind the scene is like, I get scoldings from my mother,
Okay.
get scoldings from my wife.
Okay.
I have to take my kids to the school,
Okay.
and I have to be a father, and I'm a son, and I have few friends, and I have to be a good friend to them as well. So behind the scene, this is what actually goes in, like family, personal life, that's it.
So in today's world, is Forex trading a survival skill?
Survival skill is a very,
Or a career or a wealth making skill?
I would say, survival skill is a very underrated word for Forex. Yeah, Forex is a life-changing game. If you play it properly, it's a life-changing game. You see, let me tell you, be it Forex trading or anything, making the first 1 crore is difficult. Once you make the first 1 crore, the second crore becomes easy. Once you make the second crore, third, fourth, fifth will automatically follow you.
And what's your take on the people who blame losses on this Forex trading?
So your loss is somebody else's profit. So if they're blaming the market, right? Let's say if at one particular point, if somebody is taking a trade and if they're making a loss, then the whole world should make loss, no? If the market is wrong, the whole world should make loss, right? No. If somebody else is making loss, somebody else is making profit out of it, no? So here in Hindi they say, नाचने नहीं आता है तो आंगन बिंगा बोल देते हैं. If they don't know to dance, they blame the pathway. The pathway is not good. Let's say if they ride a bike and if they go crash, they blame the road. Our people are very good at blaming things. So the market is there. It is the same for all, for you, for me, for everybody. It is just the way they make losses, somebody else make profits out of it.
And what moment of journey in your life that you really believe skill can change someone's life?
My life.
Okay.
You think what skills other than Forex trading I have? I failed in my 9th standard. I failed in my 10th standard. I failed in my 11th standard. I failed in my 12th standard.
Okay.
Yes, I have reattempted 10th history geography fail. 12th I failed in my maths. Yes, college arrears, full arrears. I still cleared and I got my degrees. But what happens is, I'll just give you one small example.
Okay.
The college which I was learning, I had a maths professor. He was a maths professor. He used to teach me. I used to fail. Right? Now, recently, 2 to 3 months back, the same maths teacher is my student.
Really, I'm serious.
Yes. That is the difference. What
And
skills?
how did you felt at that moment?
I felt, wow.
And what was your maths professor's reaction?
He started calling me sir.
Wow, that's the real success, I would say.
Exactly, sir. The full form of sir, I don't know if everybody knows. The full form of sir is someone I respect. Right? So that's the reason why somebody calls you sir. It says without going, sir, someone I respect. My maths teacher is my student and he calls me a sir. I don't think I need to get any other achievement bigger than that. That itself is a big achievement for me.
Sounds huge and great.
Yeah.
So, what was your turning point in your life? Because you have said me that you have failed in your 9th, you have failed in your SSLC, 11th, 12th, got so many arrears. Did you had this idea of doing Forex trading from that time, or there was some turning point which made you to do this?
Yeah, see, in 2007 I started DJing, and in 2011 I started trading. And when I started trading, I had some capital and I lost all that capital. And once you lose all the capital, right, when poverty hits you, it hits you hard. It hits you at a place where you cannot get up. I've got hit there. Poverty hits you hard. Then slowly things changed. Slowly things changed. The reason why my life drastically changed is, I would not say I'm a very religious person, but I used to pray. Prayer changed my life. The way I started donating, that changed my life. Now, people say Forex trading has changed life. Market makes you humble. The market will make you a better person first. Then it will make you a better trader. Yes. So if you want to become a better trader, become a better person first.
So inspiring, sir. So I just want to know your reaction when you faced your first loss.
My first loss, I did not feel anything because I had money that time.
Okay.
So when you have money that time, you won't feel the pain of it. My biggest impact is not when I faced the first loss. My biggest impact is when I lost all the money I had.
Okay.
One loss. First loss.
And what was the first thing which came in your mind after losing all your money?
I have to get back. Revenge. The first loss I made is like, how can the market take my money? I am the boss. I am the king. I know trading. I have to pull the money back. That was the biggest mistake I ever did in my life. It's like I started to consider I am the king. I started to consider I'm the boss. I know the market well. Then what market did? It crushed me like an orange. It squeezed the juice out of me and threw me outside.
And I would like to ask you to give some points or some notes to entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs, or people who have right now money power in their hand. How much money is important in life?
People say money can't buy happiness. I would say bullshit. You need money for happiness. They say money can't buy happiness. Utter bullshit. You need to have money. Show me one person who has no money and who is happy in life. I'll make you, like, let's say you have a group of 100 people. Out of 100 people, you ask anybody, 1 or 2 will be, just for name's sake, they will say, I don't have money, but I'm still happy. But you need money, boss. This is world. This world, especially if you're a man. You know what? For a woman, the beauty is the food, taste of the food that a woman makes at home. A woman, that's the beauty. For a man, you know what's the beauty? Money, money, money. Paisa. You have money, you are respected well. You don't have money, you are just like a normal man.
Should trading be someone's source of only income?
Yeah, see, I would not say make it as your only income, right? For me, trading is the only income after 10 to 12 years.
10 to 12 years.
Yeah, it took me that much time to actually understand the market.
So how did you manage your revenues and income having
was a
trading
DJ.
as DJ?
Yes, I was a
Can
DJ.
I have some your side story of that?
Yeah, so-
Being a DJ artist.
Yeah, so I started DJing in 2007. And I'm a very popular DJ. I was actually a very popular DJ.
So you might be having some name, right?
Yes, so yes, people call me by DJ Hassi. So Hussain is cut short and made as Hassi.
So what is the one advice which you like to give to the audience right now who are watching and young mindset people?
One advice to all the young people, yeah, not to put your own money is the best advice I can give for anyone who's getting into trading, is to focus on knowledge, skills, experience, and then think of investing your money. Initially, just by watching some YouTube videos or, like some Instagram reels, people get fascinated and they put their money for trading. I would say that's the biggest mistake. Trust me, I have been there, I have done that, I have fallen, and now I have risen back.
And so my next question is, if you are a Forex trader, who are the most 3 important peoples would you like to have in your entire journey?
If you're a Forex trader, the 3 most important people is, first thing, you need to have a proper mentor. Because without having a proper mentor, nobody in Forex can succeed. There should be someone who has to tell you what is correct, what is wrong. You need to have a proper mentor. Second thing is, you need to have a proper lawyer with you. He has to tell you what is correct, what is wrong. If you are stuck somewhere, your lawyer has to pull you out. Third thing is an accountant. Your accountant has to keep an account of everything, where the money goes, where the money comes in. So these are the 3 people who are very, very important. One is a good mentor. Second is a good lawyer. Third is a good accountant or a chartered accountant if they can. These 3 are very important.
Out of these 3, if anyone quits, what will be the life of a trader?
It will become very hard actually, because once it comes to large capital, right? Once you have like substantial capital, you need to have certain people with you, or else it becomes difficult for not only for a trader, for any industry for that reason, right? If you're doing more than 1 crore for a year, then you need to have certain people with you all the time.
So now let's move on to the rapid fire questions.
Definitely, I would love that.
Yeah, so I'll be asking questions. I need rapid answers from you, sir.
Definitely.
So can we just start? One word to describe the Forex market.
Big.
Big. One mistake every beginner makes.
Greed.
Biggest lie sold in trading ads.
You can become financially free.
Risk management or strategy, what comes first?
201% risk management.
Chart time or screen time, which matters?
Both are the same. I would say, chart time and screen time are somewhat similar. Don't have both the time.
Discipline or motivation, which actually works?
You need money. Why do you need motivation? You need discipline.
Emotional control or technical skill?
Emotional control is very important.
Fast profits or slow consistency?
Slow consistency is the king. It's the key to your financial freedom.
Real success in trading feels like what?
Someone sitting right in front of you.
One habit that made you profitable?
Pray.
One thing traders which overthink the most?
Losses, they start to consider themselves as, they start to degrade themselves when they start making losses. But loss is a part of the journey. They have to get used to it. If somebody cannot get used to losses, don't come in this industry.
Losses teach faster or profit?
Losses, definitely.
One thing which people should stop expecting from trading?
Big money. You cannot expect big money at the beginning. Big money will come to you. If you go towards the big money, it's never going to come. It has to come.
What will be your reaction to a losing streak?
I would just eat, sleep.
Is Forex for everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, I would say everyone should take a try. Give it a shot once. Give it 3 to 6 months. Don't give your entire life. Don't put your real money. 3 to 6 months, see. If the skill is working out, then you can take it forward, or else there are so many other skills in the world.
One rule you never break while trading?
One rule I never break while trading. Money management. Because I trade for an investor. If I make loss, I have to be responsible to my investor. So I cannot make mistakes there.
Is patience is a skill or a personality trait?
Patience is a skill that everybody has to develop, and I would say you need to become water, you need to adjust in every place you go.
Biggest reason people blow their accounts?
Greed. There is no other reason people blow their account is greed.
So now I would like to ask questions on a scale of 1 to 10. So my first question is on a scale of 1 to 10, how important is discipline compared to talent in forex trading?
10.
How much does psychology affects a trader's success compared to strategy?
10.
How many traders actually understand risk management properly?
2.
Rate the difficulty of becoming a consistently profitable trader.
Difficulty rate 8.
Rate how common revenge trading is among beginners.
8.
How important is learning from a mentor versus learning randomly from YouTube?
I would say 5.
Why and why?
5 because some people learn from YouTube and some people learn from a mentor, and there are people who are little successful learning on YouTube as well. So I don't want to deny the fact. That's why we're keeping it.
And what if a mentor opens a YouTube channel and start?
Can be done. That is what most of them are doing, right? Like even this video you're seeing on YouTube only.
Okay.
So yeah.
How necessary are losses for long-term success?
I think losses teach you a lesson, and I think losses are a rate of 10. You should have losses.
So how much would you rate it?
10.
How badly panic reactions destroy accounts?
10.
How much patience does trading demand compared to other professions?
10.
Last but not the least, I would like to say some few words on your Jawaad Trading Academy. Yeah. Can you just tell some briefly so that our audience can have something knowledge about
Definitely.
that?
Yeah. So Jawaad Trading Academy is nothing but a community of professional traders.
Professional traders.
Yes.
And what if someone wants to learn forex trading?
Yeah.
Is it open for them?
Yeah. See, actually, for me, JTA, Jawaad Trading Academy is like IIT.
IIT, okay.
It's like you need to qualify to get into it. It's just because you have the money to pay the fees, just because you are a little experienced with the market, we don't take you. We have a certain procedure of enrollment. That enrollment is once somebody comes in, our team calls back and we check what kind of a person it is. We analyze the quality of the person, and once we feel they are fit, we take them inside the community. And we have a Discord channel in which the entire community runs.
Thank you so much, sir. It was very nice having you. I got inspired some of your talks.
Thank you.
And I hope audience would have enjoyed watching this podcast. For more podcasts, I would like to request you all to subscribe the channel. Please hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.